Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. International Primary Science Class 2. Assalamu alaikum. I am teacher Kaneez Bhatti from Multan Public School and College. Chapter number 2, Magnets. Topic, Characteristics of Magnets. Open your books to page number 35. We shall discuss the poles of a magnet have the strongest attraction. Number 2, a magnet has two poles, N pole and S pole. Number 3, if a bar magnet is allowed to turn freely, it will always come to rest in the north-south direction. Number 4, unlike poles attract, like poles repel. A magnet has two poles. The parts of a magnet with the strongest pull or attraction are called the poles of the magnet. A magnet has two poles. North pole, it is also called N pole, and south pole means S pole. Let's watch video. The parts of the magnets with strongest pull or attraction are called the poles of the magnet. This is bar magnet. This is S pole, south pole, N pole, north pole. So let's check the attraction of the magnet. These are paper clips. You have seen that there is maximum attraction on the poles. So there is maximum attraction, strongest attraction over the poles. Same we are going to do with the help of U-shaped magnet. This is U-shaped magnet. This is S pole, south pole. This is N pole, north pole. Let's see. Again, there is maximum attraction on the poles. Is it clear? A freely suspended bar magnet always points in a north-south direction. The pole that points to the north is called the N pole. The pole that points to the south is called the S pole. Unlike poles attract. Dear students, you have to remember that two N poles or two S poles are called like poles. One N pole and one S pole are called unlike poles. And this is very important that unlike poles of a magnet attract each other. Like poles repel. Like poles push or repel each other away. Let's observe. Two north poles and two south poles are called like poles, but one south pole and one north pole are called unlike poles. Unlike poles attract each other. Let's see. There is north pole and here it is south pole. So unlike poles attract each other. Have you seen? There is great attraction. But like poles repel. Like poles repel each other. These are like poles, north pole and north pole again. Like poles are there, but there is repulsion. They repel each other. There is not attraction, but repulsion is there. They are repelling. They are pushing each other. Get ready for homework. Learn and write. Question number 4. How many poles are there of a magnet? Answer. A magnet has two poles. North pole, N pole, South pole, S pole. Workbook, do page number 17 to 21. Wish you best of luck. Amin. Thank you.